my name's Dan and I'm with the Vancouver Life Real Estate Group. Right behind me is 1311 Beach, better known as Tudor Manor. Now, the wood frame 3-story was originally built in 1928, and behind and above that you'll see the Paul Merrick Design Tower. Now, my business partner Ryan and I have a listing in here and we want to tell you a little bit more about it.
Hey guys, my name is Ryan Dash and today we're going to look at Unit 1901. It's over 1,600 square foot. It's a 2-bed, 3-bathroom with forever views of English Bay. However, it's also in original condition. So we want to bring to you guys some ideas about how to potentially renovate this space. So we're going to take a look at it with our colleague Sam from Renovation Design. We're going to walk through the space and give you guys some great ideas. Let's go take a look.
Hello everyone, my name is Sam Wainright of Renovation Design Custom Homes and Renovations. For the past 15 years, we've specialized in beautiful apartments like this with incredible views in the downtown area. We specialize in gutting the entire apartment or partial renovations, kitchens, bathrooms, flooring, you name it. We've probably got under 1,000 projects under our belt. We're here at Tudor Manor on Beach Ave in Vancouver. Come on, let's take a look. As we walk in, we've got this beautiful apartment. We're standing in the foyer. First thing we see is this kitchen, which is the heart of the home. And we need to open this up completely, expose these gorgeous views. So with this open, we can do custom cabinets, beautiful quartz countertops. These quartz countertops could run up the wall, continuing grain patterns if you like, brand new appliances. We can do paneled fridges and appliances, so all the appliances just disappear into the millwork. This is a great way to expand all your pantry area and get additional storage into the kitchen, because once we remove this, we'll be looking for more storage solutions. Here we are in this large living room. The first thing we'd like to do is remove this old carpet. Put some beautiful hardwood or engineered hardwood flooring in here, nice and light, allowing all the natural light to come in and complement that. We've got a beautiful traditional fireplace over here. We could keep that theme and put some new tile work in there with a new gas fireplace insert, or we could remove the traditional look and create something more modern. Okay? As you walk over here, you've got a great amount of space for a large table to entertain. I'm thinking a nice feature wall in here to complement it, creating a foundation at the back of the apartment. As you move forward, a beautiful chandelier. You can really create a nice cozy art piece in here. We've got a beautiful den office in this area. We could have some new doors with glass so you're not obstructing any of the beautiful view, and just creating a nice cozy space. A little peekaboo patio here as you look out at the stunning view. Great spot for an office to get your work done. We've got a great little powder room just off the living room and the kitchen. I think a nice feature wall with really nice. This is generally where your guests go. So having something unique, dynamic, something to express your own style really goes well in this small space. Here we are in the master. We've got a large master bedroom here with an absolute incredible view. At nighttime, you've got the bridge lit up, so creating a beautiful view with your bed here and this incredible tub. This is a huge, provides this incredible view. It can be an art piece. It could be a freestanding tub that is silhouetted in this space, or if you like all the surface area here to put down your glass of wine or your book, then recreating this with a large tub and plenty of counter service. If it is a freestanding tub, we would be able to create more square footage in the space by minimizing the size of the tub. Over here at the vanity, His and her sinks would be a great idea. So having 2 sinks here for husband and wife or partners, and creating a great space, usable space here. Better lighting. We could have some pot lights above, some lighting on the side, which is great for applying makeup. And then as you flow into the shower area here, completely redoing the shower, doing a spa-like shower, rain shower coming from the ceiling, handheld bar, beautiful fixtures, frameless glass. Then they have the toilet over here. You could eliminate the glass if you want for open concept, or frosted frameless glass in here, depending on the homeowner. And as you walk into the master, nice space in here, but creating more efficient, detailed drawers and hanging space for his and her in here. Here we are in the second bedroom. This would be a great guest bedroom or office. You could have a queen or a king size bed here. There is a beautiful view of downtown as well. Something I want to point out too, there are these lovely crown moldings. Those could be kept for the traditional look, or they could be removed if you want to create a more modern look. Obviously hardwood floors throughout. And then we come into the guest bathroom here. There's a large space here. What's really nice is this window that also faces north, and you've got a beautiful view of the West End here. You could keep 1 sink with plenty of counter space, new millwork, countertops, or you could go 2 sinks if you wanted, but it's not necessary in the space. Beautiful new tub, beautiful new tile, fixtures, and we like to do just 1 piece of glass that goes approximately 60% of the way on hinges, allowing it to have a nice open feel, but still protecting from any water being splashed. This is a beautiful apartment with an incredible view. It is ripe for a renovation. Something like this would be about $100 to $200 a square foot for a beautiful renovation, depending what you want to spend on fixtures and quality of materials. So that translates to about $180,000 to $300,000 for a complete renovation. Obviously, the materials you select will dictate that price. And if you hire a company like Refine and Design, we can help you from concept to completion in every design aspect of this entire project. And the goal is to create a beautiful home that the new homeowners would be proud of.